West Virginia doesn't usually make the top 5 LLC states lists. It's smaller, it's quieter, it doesn't have the hype of Delaware or Wyoming, but sometimes simple and straightforward is exactly what you want. Because forming an LLC in West Virginia costs $100, the system is fairly clean, and compliance isn't overly complicated as long as you understand the steps. So in this video, let's break it down properly. I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in West Virginia in 2026, what it costs up front, what you'll deal with each year, and whether this small state actually makes sense for your business. Hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. founders, digital nomads, expats, and non-U.S. residents form LLCs remotely without getting stuck in state-level red tape. And West Virginia is one of those states where the process is simple, but you still want to do it right. All right, before we jump into filings and forms, let's zoom out for a second. An LLC, limited liability company, exists to create separation. Separation between you and your business. If your business faces lawsuits, debt, or contractual issues, your personal assets are generally protected. That legal separation is the main reason people form LLCs in the first place. And from a tax perspective, LLCs are flexible. A single-member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship by default. A multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership, and if it makes sense later, you can elect S-corp taxation. So you get liability protection without corporate complexity. Now let's talk about West Virginia specifically. The filing fee to form an LLC in West Virginia is $100. That's paid to the West Virginia Secretary of State when you file your articles of organization. It's not the cheapest state, but it's also not expensive compared to many others. West Virginia is considered a small state in terms of population and business volume, which can actually mean less congestion in filings and state processing. All right, so how do you actually form your LLC? It starts with your business name. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in West Virginia, and it must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC at the end. So instead of Mountain State Consulting, it needs to be Mountain State Consulting, LLC. Before committing, search the West Virginia Business Entity Database to confirm the name is available. If you're not ready to file yet but want to secure your name, you can reserve it for a period of time for a small fee. Once your name is handled, let's move on to your registered agent. Every West Virginia LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. No P.O. boxes. This person or company is responsible for receiving legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. If you live in West Virginia, you can serve as your own registered agent, but your address becomes public record and you must be available during normal business hours. That's why many founders choose to use a professional registered agent service. It protects privacy and ensures compliance documents don't get missed. Now, moving forward to the official formation, you'll file articles of organization with the West Virginia Secretary of State. The filing fee is $100. In that filing, you'll include your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and whether your company is member managed or manager managed. Once the state approves your filing, your LLC is officially active. Now, even though West Virginia doesn't require you to submit it to the state, you should absolutely create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC operates internally, ownership percentages, decision-making authority, profit distribution, and what happens if a member exits the business. Even for a single-member LLC, this document strengthens your liability protection and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and potential partners. Next up is your EIN. Your employer identification number comes from the IRS and it's completely free. Think of it as your business's tax ID number. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, and file federal taxes. If you're a U.S. resident with an SSN, you can apply online and receive it quickly. If you're outside the U.S., the process takes a little longer but is still manageable. Now let's talk about compliance. West Virginia requires LLCs to file an annual report to remain in good standing. There's a filing fee associated with that report, and it must be submitted each year by the required deadline. If you fail to file, your LLC can fall out of good standing or even be administratively dissolved. So while the formation process is straightforward, staying compliant year after year is just as important. Depending on your business activities, you may also need to register for state taxes or obtain specific licenses. West Virginia doesn't require a general statewide business license for every LLC, but certain industries countries absolutely require permits. If you're selling goods, you'll likely need to register for sales tax with the West Virginia State Tax Department. Finally, once your LLC is approved and you've obtained your EIN, open a dedicated business bank account. This is critical. If you mix personal and business funds, you risk weakening your liability protection. Banks will typically request your articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and valid identification. If you're operating remotely, you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address. So let's recap the roadmap. To start an LLC in West Virginia, choose a unique name and confirm availability. Appoint a registered agent with a West Virginia street address. File your articles of organization and pay the $100 state fee. Create an operating agreement. Obtain your EIN. Register for any required taxes or licenses. And file your annual report each year to stay compliant. West Virginia is small, straightforward, and practical. It's not flashy, but it works. You can absolutely handle the process yourself, but if you'd rather skip the paperwork and compliance tracking, we can help. At Business Anywhere, we'll form your West Virginia LLC for free. You just pay the $100 state fee, and we include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. We'll also help with your EIN and send annual report reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. So I'm curious, are you forming in West Virginia because you live there, or are you comparing it with other nearby states? Drop a comment and tell me what you're building, and I'll see you in the next one.